Urban farming. Normally associated with clay pots filled with soil or straight planted into the ground. Not to mention they take up a lot of space and are exposed to soil-borne diseases. But what if you can find an alternative? A way to plant crops without much extensive care or space in comparison to generic farming methods. That's where HydroM8 comes into play, a hydroponic system for such problems. With inspiration from Singapore, ever since the COVID-19 pandemic limiting their fresh produce imports, their initiative to implement hydroponic and aquaponic systems citywide is seen as more efficient and greener for us and the future of agriculture. Given the task and our passion on hand, we got straight into drafting and drew a few designs for our system, in which we began building the design most fitting to each of our tastes. To keep in mind that hydroponic systems can be whatever size and orientation you may prefer. It can also be in many areas, whether it may be hanging on a wall, on a balcony, or even out in the garage. This proves its merit in being an alternative to utilizing land for growth of plants. When building our system, we made it to have 4 levels of pipe, 14 holes on each level. The height and the length are 1.6 meters and 2.1 meters respectively. We have the nutrient water running from the top right, flowing all the way down to the bottom, with water levelers in between each level to make sure the roots of the plants will touch the nutrient water. To save electricity for the pump, we installed the timer and set the pump to be on for 15 minutes every 4 hours. After building our system, key features we can list are that it's vertically built, which saves space for installment, easy to assemble, and it's customizable to the number of levels. Our build specifically, at this size and magnitude, costed us 430 ringgit including the seeds. Speaking of which, hydroponic systems allow the plantation of several small crops such as basil, mint leaves, parsley, lettuce, and many as such. Looking at revenue, prices for crops such as broccoli go for around 23 ringgit, parsley, which is about 3 ringgit every 100 grams, lettuce for 5 ringgit per head, spinach, which can go for 7 ringgit per pack, and basil for about 4 ringgit every 50 grams. This would be a profitable source over the months, as some crops are capable of multiple harvests. Not to forget that hydroponic systems can hold several plants at once, therefore increasing total yield for profit as well as ensuring sustainability. Hydroponic systems' simple concept and build allows easy maintenance even for the newest urban farmer, and we believe every beginner urban farmer should install one at their homes. This is the right step and path into a greener and self-sustainable future. Thank you and have a good day.